This is our first dance workout back since I had ACL surgery, so we're gonna celebrate with Jordy and his brand new single, Dumb. Now, I don't know much about love, but I know I've got a crush on Jordy.
Oh, and it's mutual. Don't tell.
Angry arm, side, nice and slow. Hit your head, just like that. Good, again. Hips stay the same, but we're gonna speed it up.
I don't know much about you, but I know about me, and I know what I want. You got a nice face and you got a nice bum. Come back to my place, baby, we can get stupid.
Get dumb.
Let's get dumb, guys.
Wild whip, go. On the side. Swing it out. Oh my God, that was so great. No notes over there.
Let's go.
Nice and slow. Speed this up now.
What if I said I wrote the song about you?
I would be really turned on.
Alright
Get
then.
dumb. Wild whip, go. Swing it out. One more time. Swing. Step in front. Take it back.
My favorite part of the
Nice
song.
and cute. Oh my God. This is your stupid swing. Same thing. Take it to the front, but add a shimmy. Shimmy. Swing! One more time, then you're done, let's go! Swing it out, babe! Get dumb!
Thanks for getting done with me, guys.
Anytime.
Stupid.